We're excited to announce the release of Profile Viewer, a powerful new tool in PixElement's survey canvas designed to help users with elevation analysis and grading workflows. Users can create a polyline directly on their map in the canvas and instantly generate a profile view by selecting View Profile in the Polyline submenu. This profile displays a detailed graph of elevation changes along the polyline. Whether you're assessing grading for water flow management, evaluating terrain for construction planning, or monitoring elevation changes across a site, this feature provides the precision and clarity you need. Within the profile viewer, with the menu buttons on the top right-hand corner, you can toggle if the units of the X or distance and Y coordinate or height axes are equal. Next, you can toggle to Show Elevation Grades, which will then appear on the graph, as well as toggle Reverse Direction, which will make your last point on the polyline be the starting point on your graph. You are also able to see the starting pinpoint on your polyline in the canvas for reference. On the left, you are able to reset your view with the home icon, view the sample resample profile, which is where you can select how you want to sample or resample the selected polyline. With the equidistant sampling tool, elevations will be sampled at equidistant locations. The distance between points can be specified in the text box provided. The new elevations are then added to the existing profile. When selecting at elevation jumps, an algorithm will automatically find elevation changes that are significant along the polyline. The new elevations will be added to the existing profile. When selecting at original points, the profile will reset to only include elevations at the original user-defined points where the polyline was placed. This option removes all current elevations that were automatically added through sampling methods, such as equidistant sampling or at elevation jumps, and creates a new elevation profile from scratch. For exporting your profile, you can export 3D as a DXF or CSV, as well as choose the unit of measurement you would like the final file to be in. This wraps up the Profile Viewer tutorial. Stay tuned for more updates as we continue to enhance PixElement with features tailored to your needs.